Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a heatless curl method. So using old hair or freshly washed, it doesn't matter. You're going to comb through your hair, make sure it's easy to manage. Take a big rubber band like this, place it over your head like a halo, on top of your head on the outside. Then you're going to section off a piece, and then you're going to weave it around the rubber band. So take a piece, bring it over, and then pull the hair through. Now this style is really good for anyone who is transitioning or is trying to achieve a curly style without using any heat. So then you're just going to repeat the process. Take a piece of hair, weave it through the rubber band. Once you weave it through, take another piece that hasn't been used, gather it together, and then weave those through the rubber band as well, and keep going until all the hair is used up on one side. Now I'll be starting on my left side of the head, so I'll pretty much be repeating the process to make it look like the right. Make sure the hair lays flat underneath the rubber band so the rubber band lays on top. Section off a piece. Once you section off the piece, bring it over and pull through. And then just repeat the same process until you reach the back. So as you continue to section the hair, pull over and through the rubber band, you'll eventually reach the back, and then one side will meet the other. Continue to weave the hair around the rubber band until all the hair is used up. Once both sides of your head are woven around the rubber band, you move it back, and you have to wait until it's done drying for perfect results.